Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the IVES number WS11 US26D. This is a wall-mounted doorstop. I suppose it could be mounted to the back of the door as well. We generally would see doorstops mounted like this, certainly on the wall. It's a larger than average type doorstop naturally. It's going to be considered heavy duty. This is going to be, this is made of brass with a satin chrome type finish. They're not light. They weigh about 4/10 of a pound. So about 0.43 pound, in fact. The solid brass nature of the item permits an incredibly, accurate finish of naturally. So this is satin chrome plated over solid brass. So that's going to give you a true architectural type finish. Black rubber bumper that's there. I do not believe, they do. Replaceable rubber bumpers features offset shoulder and threaded shank that screws into body of unit. I don't see this coming off at all, but I'm going to investigate that further. Let's do that right now. Yes, indeed, I have looked up the fact that replacement bumpers are available, and by the time you're seeing this video, there will be a link in the extended description to the replacement bumpers. They appear to be available in packages of 6. I'm unable to twist this off, and it could be because I've been handling lock sets this morning that there's a small amount of oil actually on my fingertips, which is probably giving me the lack of traction there to get that turned off. But nonetheless, it's replaceable. They make a part for it, so that's good. That would be a reason to invest in this, because you can in fact obtain replacement parts. Now let's go over the dimensional properties of this item. They have a base diameter of 2 inch. Indeed, they have a projection of 3 3/4. Let's say that'd be spot on. Constructed of heavy cast brass, so cast is a high quality process of manufacturing material. You've got 3 holes for your installation. Hexagon section on unit aids in fastening with when expansion shield is used. The manufacturer has a WS11 X version, which is going to give you a concealed mount. This is what we'd call the surface mount. The other is a concealed mount. They're both surface mounted, but the screws surface mount. The WB11X is going to give you a threaded bolt, and this is not tapped inside of here. Obviously the other, they really don't have threads drawn, so I'm not sure how they're anchoring it, but you would need to rotate this on your expansion anchor to get it to anchor down. A concealed mount would certainly be advantageous in those applications when you didn't want somebody visually being able to see how that's attached, with the possibility that it would be, of course, removed. And that installation instructions also is a technical drawing as well, showing you the dimensional properties of the item. Now the WS11 is going to be available in different finishes. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure where you can review the finishes this is available in, which would be US 3 or 605 polished brass, US 4 606 satin brass, US 10 or 612 satin bronze, US 10B or 613 oil rub bronze, US 26 or 625 polished chrome, US 26D or 626 satin chrome. So those are the 6 finishes that it is available in. That product brochure will also talk to you about the WS11X, threaded stud and expansion shield. So there has to be a threaded, like a piece of threaded rod inside of here that you'll first thread into the base and then into your expansion shield. It might be a lead anchor is what it would be. Other heavy-duty wall stops are also listed there in that area, and then the WS20 holder is also listed. IVES certainly does have plenty of heavy-duty floor and wall stops and things of that nature for you to review. Where are you going to use this? Well, somewhere where you want something that's attractive yet heavy-duty is where I would probably put this. It's going to be non-ferrous, so that would be permissible in those instances where you don't want something rusting. They will get you started with 3 screws and 3 plastic anchors. You might need to upgrade that to something else, depending on your application. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the IVES products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the IVES WS11 in a 626 finish or any other IVES product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.